Hello everyone, I am Ali Abbas. I am in Houston today in the United States of America, and I found a very beautiful Buddhist temple over here, and I am very glad to talk to Miss Thich Hang Tat, who is the professor in University of Houston, and he is teaching Buddhism over there because Buddhism is also my area of what you call my area that I am working on. I do research on Buddha, and I also talk sometimes on. I give the lectures on Buddhism because his teachings, his philosophies, his concepts are very good. I like them very much. But we would like to talk to Mr. Thich Hang Tent about himself and Buddhism. Hello, sir. How are you?
Yeah, hi, thank you.
Thank you. I find very beautiful Buddha temple over here, and you build a very beautiful building here. Since how long you are in Houston?
Yeah, I've been here since 2015.
Okay.
Yeah, we just have a small center with plenty of big center around Houston.
Okay. You born in the Buddhism family, or after
No.
you adopt by researching Buddhism?
Actually, I was born in Vietnam.
Vietnam. Okay.
I don't know whether you know both people. But after Vietnam War,
Yeah.
we escaped from Vietnam to Malaysia. So I'm one of the both people during the 80s. So I came to the state in 1984.
Okay.
Yeah, I live here since then. And right now I'm teaching at the University of Houston. I'm teaching Buddhism, Asian religion, and Buddhist meditation up there.
Okay. And what was your religion when you born?
When I was in Vietnam, I didn't follow any religion at all.
And your family religion was?
Some kind of what they call semi-Buddhism.
Okay.
It has some Buddhist element, but it's not really Buddhism. But later on, when they went to the camp, refugee camp in Malaysia and in Philippines, refugee camps, they start to learn Buddhism from Buddhist monk.
Okay.
And from that time on, I dedicated my life.
Mr. Thich, what makes you to come to learn Buddhism? What inspired you? And did you learn other religions also, or you only learn the Buddhism and you inspired from the Buddhism?
Actually, when I escaped from Vietnam to Malaysia camp, so that's a wake-up call for me.
Okay.
I recognize life is impermanent. And when I went to the camp, I learned Buddhism directly from Vietnamese Buddhist monk.
Okay.
And from that time on, I went in depth to study this kind of traditions. And most of the time I focus on Buddhism. I don't learn much about others. But when I went to study at university, yes, I studied some other religion like Hinduism.
Okay, you study that Hinduism also?
Confucianism, Taoism, basically most of the tradition in the East. Yeah, so that's why I can teach Asian religion at University of Houston now.
Okay. So people come here for the meditation or for yoga, something like this. You teach them here in this center also?
Yeah, we have section for the public to come to do meditation, and we have some classes especially for children. We have after school program. That's why you see some children come to our temple during the weekday. And weekend we have a lot of activities for the adults as well as for the children too.
Tell me the 2-3 major things that that Buddha inspired you about his teaching. What makes you inspiration by adopting this religion?
The most things that I learn and follow Buddhism is meditation.
Meditation. Okay.
Yeah, without meditation, I would not follow Buddhism at all. And that's the practical sense that I can transform my own mentality.
Okay.
And you know that nowadays meditation, mindfulness practice is so prevalent everywhere, especially in the West. It will be applicable in any profession, whether it's in business or in education and so forth. So people, they may not be Buddhist, but they practice mindfulness practice. Okay. So that's because it's so helpful and so beneficial for them. That's why at first I like to follow Buddhism, and of course all the aspects of Buddhism, like the principle of cause and effect, the karma, love, impermanence, and so forth. But
Okay,
mainly meditation.
Okay, Mr. Thich, nowadays there is 4 or 5 biggest problems of the world. Like people are feeling loneliness, they are frustrated, they are having stress, they are having anxiety, they are having anger. These 5 emotions are very high nowadays in the society. What will you suggest these people to do in their life?
Again, we just calm our mind through practice of meditation.
Okay.
And
If you practice meditation,
it's one of the way.
one of the way.
One of the way, and of course, there's many ways, many techniques of meditation people can do. They can do breath meditation.
Breath meditation.
They can do visualization. They can do the chanting, and all kind of techniques that we can calm the mind. But the basic one is the breath meditation. You follow the breath, you focus on the breath, and all the thoughts, the anxiety, depression, and so forth, they would not bother you too much. So in many articles, I mean, in the research field, they mentioned that as much we focus on one, as much our mind focus on one, we would not pay attention to others.
Okay.
So if we get focused on the breath, the other thought like anxiety and so forth, they don't bother much.
Okay, tell me about Mr. Thich. What he was before meditation and after meditation. What changings comes in your mind, soul, and body?
You mean before and after meditation?
Yes, before and you are doing meditation since how long?
Usually I do at least 45 minutes per day.
45
in the morning. Yeah,
No, since how long? Since how many years you are doing?
Since the 80s.
Since 80s. Okay. Now it is around like 33 years.
Yeah, more than 30 years.
More than 30 years. So before that, also you were in the what we call is that rat race, that you want more and you want to get more, and now you are feeling calm and happiness by doing the meditation.
Sure, definitely. The meditation is my what you call the spiritual food.
Spiritual food. Okay.
Without meditation per day, it's not easy for me. So I get used of do meditation every day.
Okay, when you become disheartened from some things, or you become sad, or you become angry for some reasons, what you do to rehabilitate yourself?
Again, I would sit down to do meditation.
Okay.
And of course, in Buddhist tradition, we have what we call chanting too. You know chanting?
No,
Chanting, that's we recite certain part of word teaching or the mantra.
Okay, mantra. Okay.
What we call chanting.
Can you recite, please? Can you recite?
Definitely.
Yes, please.
Like Om Mani Padme Hum. You heard about that word, right?
Okay.
Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. We repeat hundreds of thousands times, and of course that's one of the mantra.
Okay.
The other type mantra must be longer. So I make combination between chanting or reciting the mantra or sutra together with doing meditation.
Right.
So that I can calm my mind.
Also, you have done the monk's journey where they go to the mountains and they cut their self from the world and they do kashkol. They are having the kashkol and people give them food and they don't do anything and they take food from the people like this.
That's what we call Theravada tradition.
Okay.
Or Southern tradition, not. We follow Northern tradition, a Mahaya tradition. We don't go out to beg for food. We don't do that.
Okay.
But we go to the forest.
Okay.
Yeah, I have the center in Indiana, 84 acres land. That's where I start.
So how much time did you spend in this forest or in this mountain like this?
In the past, I spent years and years, but now because I'm busy of teaching at university and some of my Buddhist center, that's why I don't stay there frequently, but at least twice per year.
Tell us something about the University of Houston students. They must be from all the religions. And do you face any challenge or any critical thinking or anything that opposed your decisions and your concepts and philosophies maybe the students are against you. Sometimes it happens. People don't understand the teachings of other philosophies. So sometimes they become angry. Sometimes it happens like this over here also.
It's pure rare. Most of the time, when the student register into my class, especially at jurisprudence, they have intention to learn.
Okay,
They
right.
have the mind to learn. That's why it's much easier for them to study in my class, and it's easy for me to share with them Buddhist knowledge. Of course, sometimes, once in a while, but not frequently. Once in a while, we have some students that because of their religious background or because of their bias, whichever, they may not like, but it's pure rare.
I was watching your one video that you were teaching in the outside courtyard,
Yeah.
not in the class. So this
Yeah.
is, I think this is a very beautiful style that in the lobbies or in the grounds you are teaching people.
You see
So they
that?
are having the fresh air also
Yeah.
and the light also. This is a very good style actually.
Sure. That's
I like this very much.
I like to take my student out of the classroom to talk with them in the night, in the nature, so that they can have the fresh air. They can be alive with the nature.
Okay, I myself, I am very inspired from the Buddha philosophies, teachings, and his concepts. And we have in Pakistan where the Buddha was there there are stupas in Takhtbai, is a place named Takhtbai near Peshawar, and it's a place near Taxila. It's a Taxila University, the oldest
about that.
universities of the world,
I know.
and there are stupas and there are something like this very historical place. I wish sometimes you come to Pakistan. I would like to host you, and I will
Yes.
show you all your historical
Yeah,
places.
I hope one day I made arrangement to see you over there. I wish to see those places, and I wish that one day Buddhism will be revised in Pakistan, because for many centuries, right, from the Buddha time up to I think the 13th century, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and those era, the Iran era,
Yeah.
were Buddhist countries. But now, of course, everything's come and go. So hopefully, Buddhism will be revised over there, and I hope one day I will visit those places then.
Mr. Tich, you made my day. I am very happy
Yeah,
by here, and I am very thankful to you because you were having a
Yeah,
class.
I have class
So
about
you
5
give-
o'clock now.
You give me the time. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
And you can give me your email contact. You have your website, right?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah,
Yes.
I have my email website. We can exchange that. And so when we're ready, I can take a group of Buddhist people to visit Pakistan, especially Buddhist center over there.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. It was nice talking to Miss Thich Hang. That the name is little bit difficult me to pronounce, but I am very happy that in Houston I found him. He's a professor and he's intellectual. He is doing a meditation over here. I'm very happy and very thankful to you. Thank you.
Thank
very
you.
much. Thank you.
That's wonderful. Thank you.